Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to make a trivet out of a cotton clothesline and some fabric scraps. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need 1-inch wide fabric scraps and a clothesline cord. It's got to be cotton. A polyester cord in a hot pan or pot will make quite the mess. And then a glue stick. You can also find the supply list on debsdays.com. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. Alright, let's get started. Hit the end of one of the fabric strips with the glue stick. Center the end of the cord about 1 inch from the end of the fabric strip. Fold the fabric over the top of the cord. Kind of tuck the sides in a little bit. And then begin wrapping the cord so it catches and secures the end. You're going to continue wrapping, overlapping the fabric as you go. When you are at the end of your fabric strip, use the glue stick to tack it down. Also use the glue stick to add on that next piece of fabric and continue rolling. When you have a few inches ready to go ahead and take it over to the sewing machine. At the machine, we're going to fold the wrapped cord, kind of making a coil. This is the hardest part of the whole project, is the getting started part. Then use a zigzag stitch so it catches the cord on one side and catches the cord going around the other side. And we're going to just kind of keep going in circles. Continue working your way around using the zigzag stitch. When it's about 8 inches or so, give or take, doesn't have to be exact, go ahead and clip that cord. Be sure you have a little bit of extra fabric left on the end. Wrap the remaining fabric over the end of the cord like you did when you started, and then secure it with stitching. If you'd like to see more craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stop by the blog at debsdays.com. See you next week with another project.